So today I want to talk about something important, and that is, what is the purpose of the channels you're watching? Are they helping you survive through selling you stuff? Are they just selling you stuff? Or are they actually teaching you how to survive? One way to discern this is if they show you how to make and do things on your own that don't require buying anything from them. Now, what I find interesting is a lot of these channels that talk about corruption, dishonesty, they use clickbait. So when we look at it from that standpoint, isn't clickbaiting the dishonesty and the corruption that these channels harp on, that they're engaging in themselves? And they'll give you all kind of excuses that it's to bring people in, it's to help people, it's to get their attention, but in reality, it's corruption, isn't it? Then we look at other channels. So when we look at the shelters, the bomb shelters, none of the channels that are putting out the information on these shelters that are commercially available are showing you how to make your own in your house or in your backyard. All that information is available for free, but they never point you toward it. So these are things to think about when you hear and see what these channels are putting out. So when we think about this, how many people can actually go out and buy a shelter and have it installed versus how many can build it out of improvised materials all around them? So what should be the focus of shelters? Should it be how to make one yourself, or should it be how to buy one? Please share your thoughts. We'll see you on the next video.